What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Life of DJ. Man, trucking journey once again. Another experience, guys. So I picked up a load, and where I picked this load up at? Georgia, and brought it to Olive Branch, Mississippi, guys. I get here, I get to the location. I'm like, dang, this don't even look like. Not again. But yeah, I met a job site. They working on some hotels or building something over here in Olive Branch, Mississippi. This is what it looked like. This is where they got me in. I really don't know exactly what they building yet, but I can ask the man exactly what they building. But I had to come in and it was tight. Like, look, I come through that gate right up there. I had to come back here. It was tight too. And look at my transfer in it. So then I gotta leave out this way. I gotta have my truck come around this way. I guess it's enough room to do it, to go around. They say that I can go all the way around it. But yeah, it's another experience for me, guys. I'm gonna let y'all see them unloading it. Let y'all see what it is I was hauling to. They got all the tools, all the equipment. It's a construction site. I don't know what, like I said, I don't know what they're building. I found out though. Another random play. It was tight getting in here though, but I got it in though. And it levels from the ring too. Thank you. It's raining, guys, but it's raining, but I'ma still try to continue to shoot. Do this for y'all content. It's for y'all. Doing this out here for y'all, standing in the rain for y'all. Oh yeah, matter of fact, another thing too, them is hotels. No, there's apartments they building. I just talked to the guy. He said they were building some apartments. I don't know the exact name of them, but I just know that they finna build some apartments. It's the same when it's the early on making construction. I think it was some pans, something like that. I just want to make sure because marble
trench drain pans,
Yeah.
showers. And
Okay, okay. What's the name of this? What's the name of this apartment? Provost.
Oh, the company?
Yeah, down the complex. Like, what's the name of the?
Provost.
It gonna be Provost. But like low income or how they doing?
I'm not sure about that. I don't
Okay.
know.
How long y'all been working at this site?
Shit, man. When did I start?
Talking about at this site right here.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. What was it? March?
How long ago take y'all?
I think we got to. I think April, May, or somewhere in there.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's coming up. We're getting another year.
Okay, okay.
Before the middle of the next year.
Okay. Yeah, so that's what I was hauling, guys.
Around spring, I think, from what I remember.
Yeah, that's why I picked up in Georgia and brought down here to these guys. Dude in the way on the phone, supposed to be working. I've been telling y'all back on, they start back unloading. Alright guys, I'm back. They finna start back unloading the trailer now. Let y'all get this content. This is the, he gonna unload it with that. He gonna unload it with the flow jack. I already know. That thing right there cost some money.
Anyway, there's that.
Pouring down rain too. Try to stay out here as long as I can for y'all. They still low, man, but it's raining. I'm getting wet out here. Y'all can tell. They still unloading me though. I'm about to step in this truck now. Alright, guys. I'm back in the truck. I done got wet recording for y'all. I did it all for y'all. I done plugged the content. Look, I appreciate all the new subscribers. I appreciate all the support, man. I appreciate everybody coming out support me, man. Keep supporting me, man. We gonna keep going up. We gonna keep going up.